Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see a introduction of this lesson. So this lesson addresses an important social concern for the differently abled. So disabled. So this lesson is about the disabled, how we can share their misfortunes, the problems that are being faced by these, yes, these people who have been facing this disability, those who are physically disabled, is about them. Okay. And we can understand their problems. And this is a school, which is a different kind of school, where there is a, yes, where there, this value is taught, how differently abled or those who are disabled, physically disabled, how we can understand their misfortune, how we can understand their problem. This lesson teaches us about that. So its aim is, what is the aim of this school? So the aim of this school is to make our children appreciate and understand misfortune. So whatever their misfortune is, whatever their bad luck is, yes, here misfortune is what? Their bad luck. So whatever their bad luck, it is to understand that, it is to appreciate that bad luck, okay, and make them share in misfortune. So that's why there's a blind day, there's a deaf day. So these children, they play the role of blind, they play the role of, yes, a deaf, dumb, injured, and then they understand the problems being faced by these unfortunate children. In this school, each term, every child has to play different types of game, like blind, lame, deaf, dumb, and injured. Though it's a game, they play those roles, and then on that particular day, they understand. Okay, so let's go to the next one now. So, what is the real aim of this? So, the real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness. It is not merely teaching them ideas and all. It is not that just teaching them thoughts and all, but to teach them thoughtfulness, to teach them concern or kindness for all others, thoughtfulness. So, thinking about them, and when you start thinking about them, having concern for them, being kind to all others, so kindness to disabled and to make them a responsible citizens. Ultimately, what? Ultimately, the aim of the school is to make them a responsible citizens of this nation. So here, let's see here. So during the blind days, students' eyes are bandaged absolutely. So when it's a blind day, then what do they do? They bandage their eyes. So their eyes are covered with bandage, and they are instructed. So they are given instruction that they should not peep through it. Okay, the bandage is put on overnight, so they wake blind.
Abhi.
So when they get up blind, yes, so this bandage is put over their head at night only. So when they get up, so that time, yes, they get up blind. Okay. See, all of you join early so that, yes, I won't get this kind of disturbance, right? Okay. So the bandage is put on overnight. So at night only the bandage will be put up. So this piece of cloth will be covered. So they will be blindfolded. So when they get up, they will be waking up blind. So this means that they need help with everything. Okay, Satvik, I don't require any co-host, right? Because we don't now, just very few days are left for your exam, and we are going to study for the exam. Okay, so other children are given the duty of helping them and leading them about. So other children, so the one who is a blind, other children they are helping them. So there'll be a helper, and he will be guiding that child who is a blind, and he will be leading that child. So they all learn so much this way, both the blind and the helpers. So both of them they are learning. Okay. Blind is also learning and the helper is also learning. Thus, even the thoughtless student realizes about the misfortune. So the child who is careless, he will also know, yes, how these unfortunate the children are who are physically disabled. So the students feel awful to be blind because they cannot see a thing. So those students who are blind, they feel very bad. They feel terrible because they cannot see a thing. So they also feel that they are going to be hit by somebody. So every moment they are worried that they may get hit by someone. So they may, yes, get hit. So they may hit something and they may fall down, they may get injured. So they are worried about that. It is just a relief to sit down in this game. So when they sit, then they need not worry about anything. Okay. So that will be a relief when they sit down. The blind day is, of course, really the worst day. So the worst day is the blind day. Which is the worst day? The blind. Because they every moment they feel that they may hit something. So that's the reason why the worst day is the blind. So lame day, students feel, so here you can see a child with crushes. Can you see the child with crushes? Yes. Now here students, so I'm just waiting for all others to join also. I can see boys are still joining. Okay, right. So lame day. So students feel the lame day as a very funny day. Ah, yes. Are you able to see? Somebody is trying something.
Yes, sir.
Akshay Kumar sir.
Sir, Akhilesh Kumar, sir. Akhilesh
See,
H. Rajveer.
your exams are approaching, and if you go on doing all this, who will be sufferer? Yes, not only the children who
Sir,
are
we will be
disabled,
only, sir.
you will be unfortunate children, and your misfortune will be this. So they hop with a leg tied up. So here you see the on the lame day,
Somebody.
what a child will do, his leg will be tied up. So sometimes an arm was tied up. So sometimes arm is tied up. But it was a more troublesome because one cannot eat without help. So somebody has to provide him food. So then only he can eat in case if arm is tied up. Okay. So lame day. Now dumb day when mouth is bandaged. In this game, children's mouths are bandaged. So mouth is covered there. They have not to, so they are not supposed to speak a single word. Thus, they really have to exercise their willpower. Actually, on this particular day, it is then they everybody has got a tendency to speak, but on this particular day they have to be dumb. They should not speak anything. So this is also very difficult for the children to control. Yes, some children feel that this day is the most difficult day because they cannot bandage their mouths. So they cannot always keep their mouths shut. Now deaf day, in this game children's ears are stuffed with cotton so that they cannot listen to their friends' conversation. So on the deaf day they are not supposed to hear anything. So they are bound to understand through the gesture. So when gesture is done, then they will be able to understand that. Thus, they realize the problem of the deaf person. So the words, let's understand some of the words here. Bandage to tie, cloth or strip. Plump, plump means fat. Stout, stout means fat. Then misfortune, bad luck.
Sir, we are not able to see anything.
You're not able to
Yes
see
sir.
anything. Why? What has happened?
No sir.
Some boy has done. Sir, can I share the PDF, sir?
Ah,
Sir, I share
yes.
the PDF. Okay, sir.
Someone is presenting sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, I share the PDF, sir. Satvik Shore.
Okay, okay. No,
Rosso.
what
Sir, which
happened?
page number should I take, sir? Sir,
Uh,
anyone has
yes.
shared the whiteboard, so we
No,
are
don't
not able
share.
to
I'll
see.
share it. Okay, don't worry. I'll share this lesson now. I'll go to the lesson now because, yes, I'll try to share that lesson. What to do if somebody is trying, I can't help it. Okay, you are sharing the lesson. Okay, fine. So we'll move on to the lesson now. Right.
Your PPT is very
All
nice.
right. Okay. Uh,
Sir, I think this one, 12, sir, I think.
okay, no problem. So if there's any,
Sir, here
okay, you are.
we will.
Thank you sir
What?
because of admit me.
Right. Okay. Can you just go to that part which we have been doing
Have you
it?
checked my paper, sir?
Yes.
Sir, your voice not coming. Sir, your voice was not coming. Your
Okay. Okay. Just Satvik, you just leave it. You don't share. I'm just trying to share here. Okay. Okay. Use.
sir, any boy has shared this whiteboard, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it was Akhilesh Hajapi sir, Akhilesh H. Rajveer.
Sir, Akshay Kumar P. Kalmani, sir. He
No.
was.
Akshay Kumar.
Not said anything, sir.
Okay. Right. Can you see here now? This. Yes.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you'll be able to see now soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's
No,
go to
sir.
that. Hmm?
You checked my paper once again, sir.
Yes, I have checked, and
Yeah,
whatever the
it's
marks that are
visible,
there,
sir.
that is correct. Okay, right? Okay, let's go to the
Yes,
next
sir.
one. You next exam, if you have scored less, next exam you do well, right? Okay, we are very
Yes,
transparent.
sir.
Whatever that you get, Bhunesh. Okay,
Yes,
don't
sir.
worry about that. Next exam you should aim at that. Okay, shall we go to that where we have stopped? Is it that we have done this part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have done this part, sir.
This part is over. So we are coming to the 17th one.
Yes, sir.
I
Sir,
think this part,
17 half.
no, that,
Sir, 17, sir, we have done till here, sir. Discovered, sir.
this one, 15th one. Let's go to for a
Yes,
little
sir.
walk. Okay.
Sir, you
Now here
start
we are
from
talking
14.
12th over 14th. Okay.
Yes,
14th,
sir.
right. Okay, now here, which day is the worst day? Which day is a very awful day? Okay, which day is the bad day? It is all the talk is going on about that. So fairly, but they are not as careful as I shall be when it is my turn. Those that have been blind already are the best helpers. So those who would be blind, they are the best helpers because they would come to know the problems that are being faced by the blind. It is perfectly ghastly. It's perfectly terrible. Ghastly means what? It's a terrible not to see. So when you're not able to see, that's a terrible. So the worst day is the blind day. Okay. So a lot of discussion is there whether it's a blind day or dumb day. But when you are supposed to write, you should write that it's a blind day, which is the worst day. Okay. Shall I lead you anywhere? Shall I take you anywhere? That is a question that has been asked. Oh yes, she said, let's go for a little walk. Let's walk for for a while. And remember that I'll be discussing all the questions which will be appearing in the examination. So lot of questions I'll be taking up, and if you're thorough with all that, we'll be doing the revision part, and at that time you'll be able to score well. So all MCQs on all these lessons which are going to be there or which are going to be there in the exam, I'm going to discuss in detail about all that. So these classes will be very very important just before the exam, so that later on you don't complain that sir I have scored less marks and all. So if you are able to pay attention during these days, you'll be able to score well. Okay. Oh yes, she said, let's go for a little walk. Only you must tell me about things. So here I shall be so glad when today is over. So you have to tell me about that things, and I shall be very glad. I shall be very happy when today is over. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. So she's just waiting for the day to get over, because one particular day remaining blind, or one particular day remaining, deaf or dumb and all. It's such a, it's such a ghastly thing. That's what she has been telling, that it's such a bad thing. But you think about these unfortunate children who remain, blind throughout their life. They are not able to see the beauty of the nature or beauty all around us. So having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch is almost fun, I guess. But he thinks that probably it's a fun. Having an arm tied up is a bit more troublesome. So when you are hopping, that's fine. But if your arm is tied up, that is much more troubling, troublesome, because you can't eat without help and things like that. So when you tie your arm, that is much more troublesome rather
Sir,
than
why is
having a
not coming?
crusade. Yes, having a
Sir,
crochet.
your presentation also gone, sir.
Hmm? Yes, my presentation is gone.
Yes, sir. Presentation got.
Sir, presentation we can't see. No, sir, we can't see, sir.
Now we can see.
No, sir, no, sir. No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. No, sir, no, sir.
Sir,
Presentation is.
Yes, sir. I can see, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see.
also I can see.
Yes, sir, we can see, sir.
Okay. Having an arm tied up is a bit more troublesome because you can't eat without help. Okay. And things like that. I don't
Okay,
think
sir.
I'll mind being deaf for a day, at least not much. But one particular day, there's no problem. But what about those children who remain deaf throughout their life, remain blind throughout their life? But being blind is so frightening. So it is very scary kind of thing to be blind. My head aches all the time just from worrying that I will get hurt. So he's always worried that probably he may hit something. So I will get hurt, and as a result of that, one may get hurt or one may get injured. So where are we now? In the playground. So the author says he's there in the playground. We are walking towards the house. Miss Beam. So who is Miss Beam? She's the principal. Is walking up and down, and that school belongs to Miss Beam. Walking up and down the garden with a tall girl. What is the girl wearing? So she's able to find out that girl. What is the girl wearing? My little friend asked. A blue cotton skirt and a pink house. And she's able to recognize, and she says, I think it's a Millie. And she's able to recognize that girl. Who is that? Millie. She said, what color is her hair? Very light. Yes, that's a Millie. She's the head girl. So who is Millie?
Good
Millie is
morning.
the head girl. So there's also an old man tying up roses. So that's Peter. He's the gardener. So who is the gardener? Peter. He's hundreds of years old. So she doesn't know how old is he. He's quite old. He appears because she's a child. Most probably she is quite old, maybe 58 or 59. And here comes a girl with curly red hair.
हाँ
She's on crutches. And
नहीं
there's a girl who is handicapped, who is disabled,
नहीं
and that's Anita.
क्लास चल
Who
रहा
is
है
that girl? That's Anita. Okay. So- And so
हैं?
we walked.
हाँ तो
So
निकाल
we
के
kept
रख
on
दो
walking gradually, slowly. I discovered that I was 10 times more thoughtful than I ever thought. So thoughtful means what? So here the author was able to understand the problems that are being faced by others. So that understanding, that appreciating somebody is having that trouble and all, that being thoughtful, thinking about them who are in trouble. So I also realized that if I had to describe people and things to someone else, it made them more interesting to me when I finally had to leave. So here, probably he understood that. He realized that if I had to describe people, so those were helpers. They were describing people. So they were also able to understand. It was quite interesting. When I had to leave, I told Miss Bean that I was very sorry to go. So he feels, yes, he feels sorry for that. He feels bad for that. She replied, then there is something in my system of thought. So something is there in the system, so by which one can understand, one can have a
Which is this
understanding,
chapter,
one
sir?
can have feeling for all others. Yes. Which chapter? A different kind of school. So this is the fifth chapter, and it is written by E.V. Lucas. Very good that you asked me after the end of the chapter what is the title of the chapter. Yes, Kumari, you asked me at the end of the chapter what is the title of the chapter. So, what is the title of the chapter? A different kind of
Different kind.
school. Yes, it's a different kind of school, and with that, and there is a different kind of system, educational system in that school where one understands the misfortunes of the blind, deaf, dumb, and injured. So those children who suffer from, some sort of disability, we understand their problems. Okay, so let's discuss question answers at the end of this lesson. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir,
Ah,
will you send syllabus of exam, sir?
will I send syllabus of exam? Okay, remember I'm just announcing here in the class that this exam, third, fourth, and fifth chapters, whatever grammar so far we have seen, on grammar also simple questions will be there. Okay, what all chapters are there? Third, fourth, and fifth chapters. Okay,
Sir, third,
Okay.
fourth, fifth chapter from
third,
Nisakal, sir.
fourth, and fifth chapter. Yes. Yes. Right. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Nisakal, sir.
Yes. Prajwal Malwadi is sharing something. Yes, that I'll suffer. And who is that Prajwal? Now he has left. Prajwal Malwadi. So soon he has left. Okay. Now let's go to these questions. Probably you can. Yes. I told you third, fourth, fifth. That will be there. Grammar part, particularly adjectives. Yes.
Sir,
Then
from which book, sir?
identify. Yes.
Sir, which chapter is there from Pact with Sun, sir?
Huh?
Which chapters are there from Pact with Sun?
I told you, no, third, fourth, fifth chapter. Pact with
From both
Sir, in
the
syllabus, there is no any chapter of a Pact with Sun book.
A
yes,
Pact with Sun book, what chapters? A Pact with the
third,
Sun,
fourth,
what
fifth.
chapters
I
are coming
told you
in all?
third, fourth, fifth chapters will be there. I'll be teaching you
Sir, third, fourth, fifth from both the books,
chapter.
sir.
Okay. I'll teach you the fifth chapter
Sir, third,
also.
fourth, fifth from both the books, sir.
Yes, both the books, third, fourth, fifth chapter. And all
Okay,
those
sir.
poems which are there, third, fourth, fifth. All those poems. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
next week I'll be teaching you Tansen and I'll teach you the poem also. Where do teachers or teachers
Sir,
go?
grammar portion.
Grammar
Sir,
part, I'll tell
grammar
you later. Don't worry about grammar part. I'll tell you later. Grammar part and writing part also I'll tell you. The writing part, how the story was there like that. We'll discuss about some words also. Now here onwards, all the periods which are going to be there, they are going to be very, very important. Once I take up these two, then I'll be discussing. See, I'll take in the next period, I'll teach you poem, and after that, I'll revise this lesson as well as that poem. And then after that, I'll take up the story, the Tansen, and then we'll revise. Okay. So in the second term, in this first term exam, you have got third, fourth, fifth chapters. Got it? Okay, let's go to these questions. Why do you think the writer visited Miss Bim's school? The writer visited Miss Bim's school because he had heard a lot about this school and therefore he visited Miss Bim's school. So why did he visit Miss Bim's school? He visited Miss Bim's school because he had heard a lot about Miss Bim's school. Yes, Anil Badiger, what is your problem? Yes, Anil Badiger, who is that fellow? What is your problem? If you got any problem, you ask me. You are joined very late. Yes, you were not here present for this class. Now, what was the game that every child in the school had to play? So, every term they had to play the game of a blind, deaf, dumb, injured. Isn't it? Okay. Remember here, Kumari, here onwards, all the periods will be very, very important because we'll be revising all those questions. And this time, I don't want you to score less. If you prepare well, you'll be able to score well. If you attend these classes, you'll be able to score well.
Sir, what
Okay.
is meaning of lame, sir?
Huh? What is the
What is
meaning
meaning
of?
of lame?
Lame means somebody whose leg is injured and who is not able to walk properly. So he will be
Yes,
limping.
sir.
If leg is not there, if no, if he doesn't have a leg, he will have a teen leg. So he will have an artificial leg. So that person is lame. He will be limping, isn't it? So lame is a person who is without leg. He will not have one leg or two legs. So he will be using
He
the
uses
crutches.
crutches, sir.
He will use the crutches. Okay, with the help of the crutches, will be walking. So lame. So each term, every child has a one blind day and one lame day. Complete the line. Which day was the hardest? So which day was the hardest? The hardest day was the blind day. And why was it the hardest? They felt that it was the hardest because they were, yes, they were about to hit every time. Yes, something. Say about class. What she has told? Yes, I'm having class, no? Huh? Huh? After class. Okay, all right. Okay, you come here. Yeah, I am supposed to sign. Huh? I've signed. Then she has called. Uh, you call hostel support. I'm having class. What I can do is tell you. Okay, she wants hostel support basically. Hmm? Okay, I'll just come. Hmm? Right. Okay. Now, what was the purpose of these special days? What was the purpose of these special days? So, what was the purpose? Why this day was so special? What was the purpose?
Can I
Yes.
tell?
Hmm?
So
Yes.
can I tell?
Sir, so that the children learn that what it feels like to be one of the person who is blind
Ah,
Yes.
or
so they will be able to
differently able.
understand the misfortune of these children who were disabled. Okay.
Sir, they can understand sir,
They would
they can
understand the
understand
problems
the
being faced by these children. They would understand the problems being
yes,
faced
sir.
by these unfortunate children who were disabled. Okay.
That is that sir, when they get that like that persons, they will help them, sir.
Right. When they come across like that person, they will, yes, help them. So here, you have to match all these. I think you can do all that exercise. Can you just tell homesick? Yes, homesick. Who is homesick? Can you just here? The options are also given here. Down, you can find out that homesick is the see here. Almost, it hurts me. Terrible. Taste the strength of understanding the difficulties.
Wanting to be a home. So
Huh?
wanting to be a
Wanting to be home.
Wanted
That's
to be
homesick.
home.
Practically,
Sir, not very caring.
almost. Okay. It
al-
pains me. It pains me. Pains. Here,
not very kind.
it
It
Sir,
hurts
hurts
me.
me.
it
It hurts
hurts
me.
me.
Appreciate.
Oh, it
Appreciate.
hurts.
Appreciate
Sir,
your.
understanding the difficulties. Understanding the difficulty.
Okay. Understanding the. Now, thoughtless. Thoughtless.
Sir, not very caring. Not
Not
very
Not
very
very
caring.
caring, sir.
and exercise.
Sir, no.
Exercise.
Test
A
the
test of the strength, sir. Test
Test
of
of
the
strength.
Okay.
strength, sir.
Is the strength of
Test of
and
strength.
relief.
Test
Relief.
of strength.
What is relief?
a welcome change.
Come
A
change.
welcome
Welcome change.
A welcome
Okay.
Sir,
change
welcome.
and ghastly is something terrible. Okay, ghastly is something
terrible.
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 Very
Terrible.
good. Okay. Now reword these lines from the story. You have to reframe these lines. You can do that. Now, how can you reframe? Reword means what? Reframe these lines. So I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. I had heard a great deal means what? I
Sir,
had heard a lot. I'd heard a lot about Miss Beam's school. So I had heard a lot about Miss Beam's school. Now, Miss Beam was all that I had expected, middle aged, full of authority. Miss Beam was all that I had expected. Miss Beam was all that I had expected. What does it mean? What she thought, likewise, Miss Beam was. So, Miss Beam was all that expected of middle age and powerful. Understanding, yes, and powerful, full of authority, authoritarian, you can say, or you can say powerful. Elderly, in place of middle age, you can say elderly. I went to the window which overlooked a large garden. I went to the window and saw a garden. I saw a big garden, you can say that. So we cannot bandage the children's mouths. We cannot cover the children's mouth. So they really have to exercise their willpower. So they really have to have a control over their will. So they have to have control over their will. Okay? Or they have to exercise their willpower. Right? So given below page from a dictionary, here you can just go through that So to read, how to refer the dictionary, it's all about that. Okay, so here entries are there from that. Then there is a poem, All But Blind. All, just let's recite this poem. All but blind in its chambered hole, gropes for worms the folk-clawed mole. All but blind in the evening sky, the hooded bat twirls softly by. All but blind in the burning day, the barn owl blunders on away. And blind as are these three to me, so blind to someone I must be. Walter de la Mar is a famous poet, okay? And next, make a short list of things you find difficult to do. So, turning a somersault or threading a needle, all those difficult things that you find to do it, you can just think of that. We are just looking at this. Now, know your country, which states border Andhra Pradesh, that you can find out, which is India's largest island, that also
Sir,
you can
threading
find out.
needle is very
And
easy,
all,
sir.
yes, which states have got the
Threading
border.
a needle is very easy.
Very easy. All these answers are quite easy. You can find out the answer for that. So this is a question from geography, and you can find the answers for that. Which is India's largest island? Can you just tell? Which is India's largest island? And that is given there in the book itself. So you can find the answers on page number 123. Okay, right? Yes. And in the next class, we're going to see this poem. Where do all the teachers go? And yes, Satvik, you want to, yes, yes, you told me that last time that you want to, yes, speak on the book that, yes, that you are read. Yes, a review of the book. Yes, Satvik is there. Where is Satvik? Prithvi, you want to say something? So somebody who has missed that, yes, they can come forward, or we can go on discussing about something else. Okay. Now I'll just try to share something. Yes.
Sir, the book. Sir,
Book
in
review.
the group they
Otherwise,
have
I'll share
given.
some other content.
Sir,
Yes.
in the WhatsApp group they sent the book of Abdul Kalam sir. We have to
Yes.
read and tell sir.
See here, maybe on that some videos are
Sir,
also
what is the name,
there.
sir?
You can read that book if it is possible. Few pages you can read. But what is very important is when you are reading it, whatever you find it interesting, that on that you write. There's no problem. See, it is to develop reading habit. Whatever you are interested now, some sort of reading habit you should develop. So, what is very interesting for you, what you are able to understand, read that and write on that. It is not necessary that you should read an entire book.
So I
Sir, should
read
we
the
write about?
costly.
Yes, you can write about atomic habits. No problem. You write down any book. Whatever you find interesting, you can write that. Atomic habits also, no problem. So some of the books have been given to you. You can write about that. Okay, atomic habits also you can write about that. Okay. So these are all some of these
Yes, sir.
books which are very, very motivational in nature. So you may get motivated, and yes, you may develop very positive habits also when you read these books, right? So you should develop reading habits. It is keeping that in mind. This is what is being, given to you. The task is given to you, and do that task. Yes. Anything else you want to ask? See some. Otherwise, I'll just share you that which. Yes, I've shared. Like here, are you able to see this now? I'll just stop sharing and I'll share. Who is this fellow? Yes, sharing something. Okay, now I'm just sharing this. Are you able to see this now?
No,
Matching
sir,
words.
nothing came.
Yes, recapitulation.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to
Yes,
see
sir. It's coming. Matching words.
Matching words.
Recapitulation.
matching
Special kind of.
words? Okay,
Recapitulation.
recapitulation.
What's meaning?
So what is recapitulation? Are you able to see? What?
Sir, we have to
A special kind of.
relearn, sir.
Right. A special kind of, yes.
Relearn.
Yes, you read some pages also. If you read, there's no problem. Whatever is interesting, you read that part. Whatever is interesting, you read that part and write on that. There's no need you to read entire thing. See, if you are able to read entire book, very good. If you are not able to read entire book, whatever few pages you read, whatever you are interested in, you read that. It is to develop reading habit. Okay, whatever task is given to you, it is to develop reading habit. So read little bit and write on that. That is what is expected of you. Okay, what is the most, see one particular page, what is the most interesting thing? Which page was very interesting? Which thought was very interesting for you? That you try to find out. Okay, right? So let's recapitulate here a special kind of school. So recapitulation, a special kind of school. Then different kinds of games that are being played there. So what are the different kinds of games that are being played? Why these different kinds of games are being played? In order to understand the problem that are being faced by these unfortunate children. Then blind day is there, deaf day is there, dumb day is there. So various kinds of day that are being celebrated there, lame day, injured day. So the students learn how to feel, how to face the problems, how to face the miseries. So these are all grief stricken children. So they also learn how to help them. So they enjoy these days by playing the games. So they enjoy these days by playing the games. The human values are inculcated by this lesson in the students. Okay. So we are just recapitulating. Yes, whatever we have studied, all that. Right? Yes, boys. Anything else you want to say? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt?
Sir.
Yes?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.